First, we take renewable electricity and we use that electricity resistively heat large blocks of solid carbon, the pencil lead, the graphite inside your pencil.
A block of solid carbon, dark as silence, holds something the world has been chasing for decades. Heat, power, continuity, without smoke, without fuel, without harm. It doesn't boil, it glows. For centuries, we used this substance to write words on paper. But now, in a world desperate to cut its ties to fire, it's writing a new storyline built on light, not flame. This isn't science fiction. It's happening quietly, inside steel-wrapped containers glowing from within. No moving parts, no explosions. Just carbon reborn as a battery. And behind it all, a company with one goal: to turn heat into hope. Let's begin. The problem we never solved: fossil dependency. Everywhere you look, steel, cement, glass, chemical. There's a quiet dependency that powers it all. It isn't glamorous. It isn't green. It's a fossil fuel. Heavy industry runs 24 hours a day. It can't stop. It can't slow down. Because if it does, the world cracks. Buildings go unfinished. Phones go silent. Food doesn't reach the shelves. And to keep going, it needs one thing above all else: heat. Not warmth, not comfort, but scorching, relentless temperatures that only fire has ever delivered. Renewable energy, with its beauty and promise, has tried to take the stage. But it flickers. It sleeps when the sun sets. It drifts when the wind stops. And when the industry asks for 1,500 degrees Celsius at 3 in the morning, wind and solar shrug. This is the wall we've hit. Not because we don't care, but because we didn't know how. Batteries, the kind we put in cars and phones, weren't built for this. They store electricity, not fire, not fury. So while we electrify homes and cars, the factories that built them still breathe carbon. Antora looked at this problem and didn't flinch. They didn't try to replace fire. They tried to understand it. And then, they contained it. The hidden power of carbon, not just pencil lead. Graphite, unassuming block of solid carbon. The very thing that has been scribbling on pages for centuries. Has secrets that go far beyond the simple art of writing. It's not just the lead in your pencil. It's a material with extraordinary properties. A quiet marvel hidden in plain sight. Its carbon structure is like a labyrinth, a crystalline grid that is as strong as it is flexible, able to withstand temperatures and pressures that would break most materials in an instant. The reason graphite can slide so easily across paper isn't because it's soft. It's because its layers are weakly bonded, allowing them to slip past one another effortlessly. But what happens when you take this humble material and push it to the edge? What happens when you expose graphite to the kind of extreme heat it can endure and harness the power that radiates from it? You get something extraordinary. You get the heart of Antora's thermal battery material that, when carefully controlled, can absorb and store incredible amounts of energy. For centuries, this material has been used to conduct electricity and as a lubricant, but it has always been thought of as an afterthought. What Antora discovered is that graphite at its core wasn't just a byproduct of industrial processes, it was a hidden key to powering those very processes without the weight of fossil fuels. It's the power of carbon, unlocked in a way the world has never seen before. Antora's mission: heat that changes everything. Antora Energy wasn't born in a lab filled with flashing lights or extravagant claims. It emerged from something quieter, something more determined, a shared conviction among Stanford and MIT graduates that climate change wasn't an unsolvable riddle, but a puzzle waiting for the right pieces. They knew what the world needed: a reliable, cost-effective, and sustainable way to decarbonize the industries that powered society, from steel to ceramics, from glassmaking to concrete. They understood that it wasn't enough to rely on renewable energy for homes and cars alone. Heavy industries needed a solution that could match their demanding, round-the-clock requirements for heat. So, Antora took that overlooked miracle solid carbon and reimagined its potential. Their mission was simple: use renewable energy to heat carbon blocks to extreme temperatures, storing energy in the process. And when it was needed, unleash that energy as heat and electricity to fuel industrial processes. The brilliance of Antora's innovation isn't just in the technology itself, but in its timing. As the world moves toward a greener future, heavy industry remains one of the last stubborn holdouts, continuing to burn fossil fuels to fuel its relentless demand for high heat. Antora isn't just trying to decarbonize, they're rewriting the rules of energy storage and usage, proving that what once seemed impossible, replacing fire with clean energy, is not only achievable, but profitable. They've given the world a glimpse of something better, and it's glowing. How it works? Fire in a box. Imagine a toaster. A simple appliance, it takes electricity and turns it into heat, warming your breakfast with the quiet hum of a resistive element. Now, imagine that toaster, but on a monumental scale, and instead of bread, it's heating blocks of solid carbon, glowing with the intensity of a small star. That's how Antora's thermal battery works, charging, storing, and releasing energy in a way that's both elegantly simple and profoundly powerful. The process begins when renewable electricity, whether from solar, wind, or geothermal, flows into an insulated container housing these carbon blocks. The electricity doesn't just power a typical heating element, it heats the carbon blocks resistively, much like the toaster's coils. But instead of stopping at a temperature that's barely enough to warm your hands, Antora's system pushes the carbon blocks to over 2,000 degrees C, the kind of heat needed to melt steel or mold glass. But here's the crucial difference. While traditional industrial processes burn fossil fuels to maintain this heat, Antora's battery stores it, making it available on demand. The carbon blocks become a reservoir, quietly holding massive amounts of heat, waiting for the right moment. When it's time to release the stored energy, the carbon glows like an ember, emitting thermal radiation that can be directed toward industrial processes. No combustion, no exhaust, just radiant heat, ready to fuel steel production, ceramics, or even electricity generation. Antora's genius isn't just in storing heat, it's in using it more efficiently than ever before. And it's not just a battery, it's fire, without the flames.
Now first, like always, be sure to hit the like button down below. It helps us out tremendously with the reach of this video. Thank you.
Turning heat into light, and light into power. Antora's thermal battery isn't just a storage solution. It's a two-way bridge between heat and electricity, a quiet revolution in how we think about energy conversion. Here's where the magic of thermophotovoltaic cells, TPV, comes into play. Imagine the blazing glow of the hot carbon blocks as they emit infrared radiation heat, so intense it radiates like the warmth of the sun itself. But this isn't the traditional heat transfer. Antora harnesses this thermal glow, turning it into something even more powerful: electricity. It's like a solar panel, but instead of sunlight, the TPV cells convert infrared radiation, invisible, heat-laden infrared radiation, into usable energy. The infrared light hits the TPV cells, triggering electrons to move. And just like that, heat is transformed into electricity. What makes this so groundbreaking is the efficiency with which Antora has developed these TPV cells. Traditional solar panels only capture a fraction of sunlight's potential, often around 20%. In contrast, Antora's TPV cells have pushed this efficiency to over 40%, thanks to a clever design that maximizes every photon of radiant energy. The technology includes a reflective mirror behind the cells, capturing low-energy photons that would typically escape and redirecting them back to the source. This process, known as reabsorption, gives those photons a second chance to generate electricity. With no moving parts, no combustion, and no pollution, this method captures the purest form of energy, light converted from heat, and brings it into the modern world. It's not just about storing heat anymore, it's about transforming it into something even greater, pure, clean electricity. Why it matters: the quiet war of carbon versus progress. While solar panels and electric vehicles steal the spotlight, the real battle for decarbonization happens where the world's most carbon-heavy industries continue to churn: steel, cement, ceramics, and glass production. These industries are responsible for more emissions than global transportation combined, yet they're the hardest to transform. Why? Because they need consistent, high temperatures so intense that even renewable energy, with all its promise, can't reliably reach them. We've made great strides in decarbonizing homes, cars, and electricity grids, but industrial processes still burn fossil fuels because nothing else has been able to deliver the consistent heat required at these extreme temperatures. Renewable energy, though abundant and clean, can't yet compete with the constant, relentless demand for heat needed in industries that power the very infrastructure of our world. Antora's innovation steps into this gap. By using carbon blocks heated by renewable electricity, they've unlocked a way to provide the high-temperature energy industrial processes need, without the carbon emissions. This isn't just a breakthrough in energy storage. It's a solution that transforms how industries operate, paving the way for a future where heat no longer has to come at the expense of the planet. Antora has proven that carbon, once seen as the enemy, can be the key to our clean future. In the quiet glow of Antora's thermal batteries, fire is reborn. No longer a destroyer, it becomes a healer source of clean, continuous power, unshackled from fossil fuels. It's a subtle revolution, hidden in plain sight, but its impact is profound. Antora isn't just changing how we store energy, they're transforming the very foundation of industry. A block of carbon, once relegated to the back pages of chemistry, now carries the weight of our future. As we stand at the edge of this new era, one thing is clear: the heat we need is here, and it's clean.